Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation on that device by using the Auxus settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings, scroll down, and here you need to choose backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose factory data reset and select reset phone to the following operation. But before you do it, you have to decide either you would like to erase just Google account, system and app data and settings and downloaded apps, or also you can erase music, photos, pictures and other user data. So in my case, let me perform full reset. Let me erase both settings, app and internal storage. Now let's choose reset phone and confirm the operation by tapping erase everything. Let's wait until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the hard reset is performing. Excellent, the hard reset is done. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.